Welcome back, you guys. So today's video is going to consist of a apartment tour requested by my sister-in-law. I hope y'all enjoy.
Last night we had something. Tonight I'll be kissing.
So right now I'm showing y'all a quick overview of my living room. Right now this is my galvanized wall, as I like to call it. I do have a farmhouse theme going on throughout my apartment, and I just couldn't give up the galvanized, but I also wanted a touch of woods. And on the other wall, my gallery wall, I like the color olive, so you will see a lot of greenery.
Every time I see you, tell me, is this part of an act, just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. You knocked on my window and slept on my pillow, then said you had found your place.
This table actually is very special to me because Justin and I built it together.
Don't think that I noticed. This isn't like giving you space. I don't wanna play the quiet type.
The entertainment center that I'm showing y'all right now is from Wayfair. I believe I paid around $300 around that area with shipping and all. What I really like is the fact that you can hide all your candles and stuff like that, or you could even do how I'm showing y'all right there. I personally like the doors on the outskirts than in the inside.
Beating heart. Defend my beating heart.
So this is a gallery wall I was talking about earlier in the video. I'm not quite done with it. I still feel like there's more that I can add to it. So if y'all have any advice, please let me know what y'all think.
Just talk to me. Talk to me, 'cause I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart.
Now these lemons that I have on my dining table, I do have a video regarding on how I did them. They are a DIY craft, so don't feel like you have to go buy them. You can make them yourself and personalize them as you please.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a
If you are a Grove collaborative fanatic like I am, you will recognize this. I wanted to add some art pieces to my kitchen, so I just happened to get this on one of the VIP's gifts. So I do have to buy a frame for it, but I just couldn't get rid of it. While I was recording this video, I was also trying to cook some red beans and rice for dinner, so don't mind the food. Sorry if you're hungry. I decided to include this little short clip right there by the door because I need something. I just don't know what. So if y'all have any ideas, please drop them down in the comments. I would love to see y'all ideas.
This night at last, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Baby, you're so hasty. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so hasty. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so hasty. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so hasty. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so hasty. We don't need to go on a fast.
This is Justin and I's bedroom. As you will see throughout the video, this room doesn't really have a theme. I do plan on going farmhousey as well in the room. I just can't figure how and what to buy to really make it a touch where it also has Justin's personality but also mine. So once again, if you have any ideas, let me know. I would love to read y'all's comment.
Went down, climbed right up on the hillside. A different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care. Would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone. Everything that we could.
The closet that I'm showing y'all is our second closet in our bedroom. It's very chaotic in there. I do plan on showing all of my truth, and that is one of my messiest closets ever. But I do plan on showing y'all a organized with me. It should be coming anytime soon, so bear with me.
You say that you're sorry. We turn the page.
So this side of the bedroom is my side of the bedroom, where it holds my makeup vanity and my desk to do my work. I don't know what I want to do on this side. I have pretty much everything just thrown on the walls. I do want to make over this little area of the bedroom, the little corner, I guess you could call it. So stay tuned for that.
That we could have been, but
This mirror is actually from Hobby Lobby. It retails for $90 and I got it for $10 when Hobby Lobby was having their sale. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I don't know if I want to incorporate it in the bedroom or if I want to put it in the living room. So y'all give me some ideas, because in the video you'll see by the bed I have this huge wall that I have nothing to put on. And I'm thinking I want something there. So like I said, please give me y'all ideas. I would love to see them. This right here is what I was talking about when I say I have no decor on this little area.
hopeless place that we're in, but I'm your liability. I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability.
The good thing about having the bed so high, you have storage under the bed for all of my decor and seasonal things. And also, since we live in Louisiana, hurricane season is nothing to joke about. So I also have a hurricane kit to be safe.
Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in, but I'm your liability. I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like.